My EC thread I chose for this project is systems architecture, which is a CS thread but ties very deeply into the computer architect or the computer engineering curriculum as a whole. The whole reason I got into computer engineering in the first place is because of my genuine curiosity on how these machines operate. Whether it's your computer, whether it's a gaming console, your phone, all these machines are present all over our lives, and I really had a deep desire to understand how they work. So, as I was looking through the different threads and exploring my options, it seemed like a no brainer to use my skills to try and understand how these systems work as a whole. Now, over my time, it has had its share of challenges, but that's what I find the most rewarding. Through all the struggling and late night coding sessions, I come out on the other end having a new appreciation and understanding of the technology that runs our modern society. This thread not only helps you understand how laptops or phones work, which of course it will very much do so, but also cars, medical devices, and different core infrastructural um, parts of our society that all run on computers. I mean, you will learn all the way down to how semiconductors are made, how to make a processor. You will learn then how to build an operating system on top of that, which can then control how the processor works, how it uses its memory. And even on top of that, you can then go into different understandings like how a compiler works, how are programming languages even made, what does a programming language conceptually even mean. And I feel like this broad yet very in depth coverage of all aspects of a full computer system give you a good vantage point to look out at technology and be like, okay, I understand how most of this works on the low end. So then all it is just changing a few parts here and there to really make whatever you want in the world. It really, the foundation is what you build everything on top of. So by taking systems architecture, you will have the foundation of almost all computing, you know, in any way you want to go. Whether you want to go into more web development, app development, you know how to properly design your app to take advantage of an operating system or take advantage of some of the features that a processor has. Or maybe you'll go into systems engineering and you'll go into DevOps and you'll start working on operating systems. You'll work on Android OS or Apple OS. You could even go into chip manufacturing. You take a lot of classes that focus on how a processor works. You can really take this many ways, and that is what I appreciate about the systems architecture thread.